Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. So links will be down in the description. Today we're here at the pumpkin patch. Y'all can't see anything. I'm here with these two little fuckers, and also with I've seen this pumpkin patch like driving by and shit, and also on TikTok. So we finally decided to come. There's like 1 week left of October, but let's see how it is. Oh. Very country, like they said. We had to come to the bathroom to take a quick leak. Right, guys?
So Fed wanted to take a shit, so we came to the bathroom.
Okay, buddy.
How the trees have grown in the last few years. Ghost town. Look out to Dracula Haunted Castle.
That was very anticlimactic. What did you guys think?
I can't see. What the fuck?
Who's sweating? Why is your arm wet?
I'm sweating. Oh no.
Holy fuck.
Oh, I see it for that. That was actually scary. I was actually sweating. He was like, I was sweating.
What did you guys think?
I rated it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
It was pretty good. I mean,
The fact that
not to brag, but I worked at a haunted house last year. Obviously, ours was better, but this was good.
Like this with I know. I was holding on to his fucking arm, and he was like, "Who's sweating?"
I was like, why is it wet?
And more. Yeah, like that. So now he's gonna be a little rat and roll into those little.
Into things right here. Hopefully, I don't eat shit.
I see somebody fall.
Should we follow him?
Yeah. No, I don't think we can.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, look.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we can't go that?
Be like the bearer of bad news, but any videotaping can only be from like.
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay. Go fast.
I can't. I'm gonna eat shit.
Fed, what the fuck? You took hella long.
Bro, that was a whole workout. Alright, I can stop. That should make me dizzy low key. Holy shit. Influencers on the loose. Fuck you. It actually looks more like you.
Man,
See, el burro, I'll pass. That one's me. That one's me.
hey bro.
What's up, fool?
Oh shit!
Bro.
I'm actually not that dizzy right
Your
now.
hair is like blending with the sky.
I know.
Huh? Your hair is like
Blending with the sky. No,
Look how
tampoco no.
cinematic.
what type of mom have you been like seeing?
Actually, my cousin looked exactly like you, and she was like,
Welcome aboard the Dell'Osso Family Farm.
she had kids too.
I don't give a mom.
Glad to have you here.
Yeah, you
Leave a
do.
comment down below. Drop a like.
The farm actually started in the 1920s when 3 brothers immigrated from Italy.
See that hole right there?
What hole?
That's where you're gonna die tonight.
This is a perfect spot to kill someone. Do you want to go first?
Yes.
Get up.
What'd you
This
say?
is a perfect like spot to kill someone.
Oh, I thought you said this is a perfect spot to kiss someone.
Oh, okay, buddy. We're gonna hurry up and go to the. We have to go to the corn maze right now, really quick before it closes. But this shit was lucky we got stuck. Okay, I said walk fast, pero tampoco así no. Okay, buddy. Finally, we made it just in time. Apúrense a la verga. No se ve ni madres. Bro, I had a whole fucking lie and I forgot to bring it. Well, I have it in my car, but don't.
Which
Ta
way, right
madre.
or left?
Right or left.
Wait, what?
It looked like a dead end over there.
Bro, not her way of fucking taser.
No. Es un círculo.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a circle.
Get into it.
Get it.
Do you actually know how to dance it?
No. Yeah, I don't. I know you gotta go like, it's like a pattern, no?
It's 2 to the right, 2 to the left, 2 back, 2 forward. Oh, let's go through here.
There's a little
Oh
path.
yeah, there's something. Oh, I think it's gonna turn back.
Oh, hell no, I see some shit.
This reminds me of my
You fucking asshole.
She tases me.
What did you fucking do?
Oh, shit.
Ooh, look.
No, Hannah, don't do it. Don't do it, please.
Oh, look, the carousel. It's right up. Did you touch my hair?
No.
No. No, he didn't. He was hella far from you.
It's probably one of these little shits.
Yeah.
We should have like hid and like started to scare people. Wear a taser. Imagine.
No. So what if I actually take somebody? It's on me.
No, just hide it back. Run.
Wait.
Post for me. Oh, they come
So
with
what
like
do you do?
they
What
come
kind
with
of
STDs.
And you're touching it, you're gonna die. Well, you don't know about the trick?
There's no trick.
Yeah, they're infected. It has something in it.
You're infected too, and
Look, now you have pimples all over your forehead.
fuck you, bitch.
They don't taste like, they taste different. I don't know how to explain it.
Try it.
Why would I eat it? What the fuck? I'm gonna shove
Try
the
it
grass.
right now.
You're disgusting.
Cut that out. Cut the cameras.
What is a perfect pumpkin for you?
It's a big, round, fat. It's nice.
Okay.
Is this one perfect?
Nice and round and thick.
What?
Well, that's how she said she wanted it.
Okay.
Pick one up, Alonso.
This one has a big nose, just like me.
That one is literally shaped like you. Oh shit. Oh, shit.
Lock it, lock it.
Bro, that took us like 10 fucking tries and we still didn't get it down like good. Let's see how much this pumpkin's gonna be.
It's $9.
$9?
Oh, nice.
Card?
All right, she got her pumpkin. It was 90 bucks. No, just kidding. Imagine. No, right now we're finna go to Spirit Halloween and then go eat. Surprise, surprise. We actually didn't end up going to Spirit Halloween because the address sent us to somewhere where there was like no store at all. You know how they're temporary and stuff. I think that's what happened. But we ended up eating Chick-fil-A and then I dropped them off. And then after that,
I ended off my night. But thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Halloween.